want to say one thing. You know how our mothers give us those kind of things that we don't like vegetables? I will interlink this actually. Just let me tell. Just say you like paneer and you don't like palak. And when your mother gives you palak paneer, you will eat it. Just like that, when a person has phone and he has few interactions with it, that person has that value. That person will value that kind of thing. And if he doesn't know how bad it will affect him, he will do it because we don't know what are the effects. Just like I said in palak paneer, he does not like palak paneer, but there is the thing paneer which interests him. Just like that, the phone is the thing that interests us. So that is why a lot of people will like these kind of online classes. And other than that, as he has already said, the middle benchers and the cheaters, they cheat off of it. Now, in that particular thing, there are many systems where the class teachers will inform them. So that's not always the case. So I will not talk about that. I will only talk about that in that particular time for the backbenchers. In that backbenchers thing, they just get new knowledge about new things that interest them. That is why they leave the class. It's not about that the classes actually help them. It's about the phone that is interesting to them.
So my answer is two, three things. In the online study, we see that the most of the teachers like physics wala sir and etc. sir and etc. teachers are entertaining us, and also in my way, according to me, I also like online classes more than the offline classes because I see that I have seen that the student of online classes are scoring better than the normal offline classes. Like recently, a student of physics wala scored 720 out of 720 in online classes without any offline classes and offline coaching, without any offline coaching. And in my way, second point is because they love their phone and also they get comfortable in online study. We are able to sit like this and head down. In the studies, like teacher don't say, in my school teacher don't let us to get head down if we are getting a headache or something else. And second point is teacher would not beat us. It's my last point because in the like you did a mistake and the online teacher are very humble. They give a second chance. They don't beat us. They give a second chance, and also after that they check your.
तो आज तक सबसे मतलब बेस्ट आंसर मैंने सुना है.
Okay, so the online classes is only for the not releasing the phone from the hands of the children. So I can prove that because they are, and during classes they messages like there is a network issue, so I want to leave class, and they are using phone by closing the doors of their room, and they are using phone like they're using reels, taking reels and watching videos and playing games like addictional games and addiction. They have addiction. The most of the children who don't studies, they have an addiction of phone because they are releasing to not studying to online classes. And during online classes, the teacher, as he has said, the teacher can't do anything, and also they can also do cheating by, like I am taking online classes there and there is another phone and their exam is happening and I am cheating from them answer. So thank you.
बढ़िया बोला.
So from my side, I want to say that they are addicted also and they have no other choice to take. So like in the previous time, we all have seen, or in the nowadays we all are suffering from our whole homeworks or now from our holidays. Most of the teachers are taking the online classes, but in the most of the issues there is no network, so there will be no online classes. And the most of the people, like the backbenchers of the class, they take online classes. Like he's trying to cheat in the exam, and the toppers, they don't cheat, but they want the offline classes. But for the most of the situations, the teachers online can only take the online classes.
According to me, it's online classes really good for us because in the online classes, as many facilities are available for us. Means doubt clear classes and question answer classes are available in our online classes. And let's take the example of offline classes. You all know that in the offline classes that teachers come with full of laziness, and they have no energy to teach children. And in the government schools is mostly doing this or going on. So according to me that if there is an online class, so the teachers teach us with the full of energy and concept clear classes are there for explain or if we have any question or doubt, so we can ask easily for the teacher. Thank you.
So I want to say two more points. Like in the class, in our offline classes, if we have a doubt, sometimes we get suffered from it. We are not able to tell to the teacher that if the teacher would listen that question, he would ask. I told you that, and also everybody would laugh on me, and also like the little bit question like this question, what does
Mostly introvert personality do that. You might have seen. Bolo
like introvert personality, they think like there is a word, you don't know the meaning of that. Every student know about it, and you don't know about it, you get suffer, and also you are not able to tell about it to your teacher, you would suffer
and
from
also
it.
mobile is not allowed in a class.
And mobile is not allowed to the class, and we can on that time we can minimize the online classes is happening, and you can ask the thing. And also the whisper system, in the whisper system we can directly tell to the teacher without telling anyone. There is a chat system, whisper system in the online classes, and the teacher would, and you, if you said that please don't take my name, so he would not take your name, and he would said somebody ask a question to me that what does the introvert mean, so he would explain it, and you would know it, everybody also know it. So that's the meaning of it.
Yes.
So starting in this video, I also mentioned that offline classes teachers are full of laziness. Why I said that? Because let's recall the name of offline or online. First, offline, mood of classes that we have no any interest. But let's come on the online classes. We really like to that because they are mood on classes, and we have interest to enhance ourselves.
So from my side, I also think that most of the people or most of the teachers, students use ChatGPT or Google, and they are going addicted by it, and they are not using their brains, so they will get dull in the studies.
Negativity.
So my last point is the online classes are my last point is the online classes are easier than the offline classes. Like our teacher filled the whole board with the question answer, but where is the notes? The teacher would not be able to tell this is the notes, and also the student didn't write the question answer properly. They didn't write it in the copy because we need to write the question, the answer, the mistake we don't need to do in the offline classes. We need to suffer from it. But in the online classes, the teacher would give you a worksheet. In second, there is a question answer. In the second worksheet, he would give you a notes, something like this. So it's easier. And in the online exam, you can see the most of the questions came from tick mark question. You can choose. And also, if there is a typing question, everybody know about the typing, and even the Gen Z typing is better than their writing in offline classes. Like my writing speed is not better than my typing speed, because when I type in WhatsApp, so I type anything very fast. But in the writing system, I was in 5 minutes I could not write a whole page, and teacher would rough it.
I just wanted to say that it does not matter whatever we have said. It does not matter for everyone, because everyone have their own different opinion and thinking. Now, since you have asked that does the phone or the online classes interest a child, it's not about the online classes or the phone in particular. A person who wants to study will of course use this facility for his own benefits, and a person who does not want to study and who does not like studies, he will still misuse that thing. So a person who wants to study, he has that opportunity and he will be given the opportunity to learn various new things. So of course the mobile will interest him more than the online classes, because without mobile there is no online classes.
Laptop are there. Laptop are there.
I meant the new technology where the PC, laptop and mobiles,
Tablets are there.
tablets, etc. Without
internet.
Without internet in particular, yes.
Thank you guys. If you guys might have enjoyed, like, sharing.
Like this video.
Subscribe.